Hello, and the other solve Leetcode 23. Question we must solve it that, but we use match sort algorithm for linked list. And then basically you use heaps at the solve our question way. But heap data structure, and if so we know anything about it, just read a little bit about it, right? You will mean heap and you will max heap. Mean heap in the just say number be a decay be no is watching the no, right? Until it might be say, but we say in the ABS will be the 5 we count one. Mean heap no the 5 we count over say not the 5 now be say, right? Or the 10 we count or the say. So we the 9 bar not the best. Mean heap no and one cast out we account one adjust it, right? Same thing for max heap no. Max heap no so or also starting from top number 9 with number 7 number 4 so be the 5 bar or the bar shall say will be the 6 bar or sign or the shall say, right? So intend or self-adjusting, right? And the same thing to say a tree so right if you are one mean heap no maybe we see, right? The best choice what baby are that say equal to and I say a greater the opposite, the same opposite for max heap. It's really just quick crash course for mean and max heap. So approach we in a self-adjusting process here and no never be so. Did they solve a friend saying question way, right? You before I start the question, I'm share example of my mind. On my link list me and some maybe I could start if we one. I'll go 4, I'll go 5, right? Back on so I'll start if you 1, 3, and a 4. The next one also or a 2, and I'll go 6. Into way say no, you start it, right? A heap data structure, right? You start it main heap. You start it main heap we say. The main heap no, you start here. You list to be an head of the list, no almost a linked list to be ahead me, right? Into head of the linked list values no any other starting. If I head list now near the shame to be 1, 1, 2. Maybe I say build the results no, so I am financial results no. That way if we are saying. Results no, so the way we say, right? Into if I heap data structure where if I the one account into 6. So long as heap no be no, you better first one and the other share results no say 1 in, right? If I 1 now, you say 1 way the trust no 4 into the 4 what account mean heap data structure no say, right? It's near you 1 way of nothing here. The next one also 1 way no 1 no, right? Into the no so account at the count 1 year from one say, but when you say 3 na trust no say, yet the 3 no so account and say, but a mean heap say share. Into one kasa be self adjusted, right? No way 3 way 4 if you no way 3 no the 3 na ba be share say no the 4 na be chia so, right? This year na about 2, right? It be 2 we need the other can results no na 2 near you way free. Into way so the chia so no 6, right? Into 6 no I feel about 3, right? I got 3 na chia so into the 3 na ba can. E 3 na the chia 3 no so 4 into nka be share but because it's self adjusting into no say 4 way, you share 4 say, okay. fidi yatiaso nti see a 4 way never so results no next one here 4 but 4 way the yatiaso near 5 right 4 way the yatiaso near 5 4 no the yatiaso near 5 right here 5 no yatiaso I say nti the 5 no eba betiaso I say but when a self adjusting right nti no we 5 no ye 6 no na fidi wasan arrange bibia na we say right nti ye 4 way from the next 4 no right here 4 way after I don't know shin tiaso bi nti na and right na fidi we 5 na count because the 4 way count yeah the 5 5 way so if you need to count I say right nti na 5 after 5 no shin tiaso bi na fidi the 6 na count after 6 way so shin tiaso bi nti na ya end it right nti see any they have solve it so question way a heap data structure it be also for priority list right nti see ma be say top 10 and I say bottom 12 something like that in a priority list a heap data structure any of the solves our questions with nti yanko first no we 3 no heads of the list no be started we be from now they count one now the next value na count right nti yanko do we be solve it so question way okay nti first no linked list data structure na one kasani right a class list node we initialize it with value and next linked list data structure be a value and a pointer next right but I be creating something called a friend of wrapper around the linked list class I have a friend heap node right and when you be initializing it say heap node be a linked list question right into node self dot node is equal to node right now for the assign tell me function a auto comparison no and we find lt self ever compared to other linked list values right until I never return node.val I find a self.node val right self.node.val a less than other dots node.val right other way note no now the new node will be compare near only position this is how I represent this data structure it is here you create heap node data structure we create a heap list okay into for list BI or list way the head of that list near the can't link heap data structure like me started was here the 112 count and this is how I represented that right and here representing say for list in lists if list nature say still I be because at some point you because we move because this is we draw say if list no sign patch was if list no their heap queue no in Python no convert any list into a heap a priority queue or main heap or max heap data structure right and I perceive push here from heap push into heap right they pushing new heap node with the value list into at the head values no go on count right and see head of each of the list into the heap data structure right in this year you have a linked list algorithm right but because you create a new sorted list, it is you create dummy head, right? A dummy head is equal to new list node. I know we will do 0 shape, but you any number be a shape, right? So long as I won't print in some number, but I'm leaving it empty. Now for the current no, I dummy head, okay. So long as I value a heap name, right? Like me, I was say value money, yeah, but say value money, yeah, but sorry, yeah, but yeah, while there is still value in the heap, right? Heap node be heap node machine. So heap node be equal to heap q dot heap pop. Maybe number or top no heap pop, heap push, and the new one a shape heap pop a there that's wrong, right? So heap pop heap, right? The pop the first element in the heap pop. And the node be equal to heap node dot node, because heap head be a word node a shape, right? Into ye node now to see no current dot next be equal to node, right? And a current be equal to current dot next, current with 2 R's, right? Into since ye one be a free and near the count was and as ye 2 near the count one, the next one also is signed the best heap was not a self adjusted, right? Into no never be was. So if node dot next sabia heap cubium heap push into heap node dot next, right? After the area I return it dummy head dot next. The entire return dummy head dot next is the head nankasa shiny, right? Entire dummy head dot next. Okay. Oh, so we pushing new because heap no I accept heap heads, right? Into accept heap nodes into heap node, a new heap node with a parameter node dot next. Okay, anything yes, dummy must be dummy. Okay, so hopefully no more mistakes to fix. All right, into say and I'll be using min and max heap area solver sa Leetcode 23 priority queue, right? Merge case sorted list. And that's it. We know so questions where you may solve on English versions. Into no another channel be a channel definition oko homepage or another channel or my explaining this same problem in English. I will be to my right. Thank you, Rebecca Setri.